In this video, I'm going to show you Doodly versus Vyond. So what I'm going to do is simply show you which software is going to be the best for you. I'm going to show you video samples. I'm going to show you pricing of both softwares so that you can make the best decision and find out which one you should go with. Now, before I show you all of it, I do want to mention that I'm not getting paid to say this and I won't leave any affiliate links, meaning that this is going to be a 100% honest review. Let's get started. So Doodly is a whiteboard animation software. Vyond is more than that. It's also a whiteboard animation software, but it does have more features, which I'll show you in a bit. But before that, I do want to show you the different options that you'll get on Doodly. So on Doodly, you've got whiteboard videos, like I just mentioned, glassboard, and blackboard. Now let me demonstrate what that could look like. So this is the whiteboard stuff, and this is what Doodly is known for. It's the classic whiteboard animation videos. So what you can do with this is simply draw any character and also write down any text. Now in the software, you can add these characters or simply use the pre-made ones. And you can also upload a font or use the fonts that are already in Doodly itself. Now this is the whiteboard stuff. We've then also got glassboards. So this is glassboards, and you can see like it's pretty similar, but there's one main difference, and that's that the hand, the drawing hand, is behind the screen or behind the camera instead of in front of it. You can see right there, the hand is behind it, right there it's not. So that's the main difference. Apart from that, it's pretty much the same. And then finally, option number 3 is blackboard. Now blackboards are similar to whiteboards, but then black. Makes a lot of sense, right? So there's not that much difference between those two. You can just see that they're also going to draw characters. So these are the 3 different options that you'll get on Doodly. Now if we take a look at Vyond, you can see that there's a difference already. On Vyond, you can go with animation style, which will look like this. You can go business friendly, so they've got like business environments, but it's also animation, but then also whiteboards. So that's the main difference between the two. On Doodly, they've only got like whiteboard, glassboard, and blackboard animations. But on Vyond, they've also got normal animated stuff, which is really cool. Now in a bit, I'll show you that. But before that, I do want to show you the whiteboard animations. So I'm going to open this in a new tab. It might load for a while, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this. So this is the whiteboard animation. Now, if we compare that to Doodly, you'll see that if I just play this, if I just skip through a more interesting part, you can see it's also going to draw characters and stuff. And on Vyond, it's pretty much the same. So this is just a sample. If I just choose a template, we'll go with catering, let's say, and then we'll choose this one. So all of these templates are included, and if I just preview this, you'll see what Vyond looks like in terms of the whiteboard animation software. That's pretty much it. And there you go. So you've got a few different things here. You can see that this software, Vyond, is more leaning towards the animated style. You can see it's not really like whiteboard drawing. As you can see, it has, a bit, but then here it's not drawing, it's just putting them in there and then they move as well. Now if I simply move the time bar, like the timeline bar, over to the other one, I'll also show you the preview of that. Let's see if it's playing. Yep, there we go. And there we go. So you can see they're drawing text, but then they're not drawing everything. So this guy is still kind of like an animated character, which is pretty cool. So on here, they've got more of a mix between whiteboard, text, like drawing and stuff, and then also animations. So if I go to the contemporary or maybe the business friendly one, it doesn't really matter, they're kind of the same. It's just that the business one is business friendly, so they're making sure that you can use it for your business. But as you can see, and what I'm trying to show here, this is the main difference between the two. So Doodly, whiteboard animations. Vyond, whiteboard animation, but they've also got real animations. So if I click on choose a template, I can go to any of these categories, which is really, really cool. So if I go to industrial, for example, click right there, we've got an airplane, an animation of a plane flying. That is pretty cool. You cannot do it like this on Doodly. So that's the main difference. So pretty much, guys, if you're trying to do Doodly, if you're trying to build videos, create videos, whiteboard animation style, Doodly is perfect because it's made for that specifically. Vyond, however, does have real animated stuff, which I'm a huge fan of. You can probably tell by my excitement, but what you can do is choose any of these categories and then simply click on one of the templates and it will have an animation like this. Now let me just preview this so that you guys can see what that looks like. And there we go. So in this specific clip, there's not that much happening. Let's see if I can find a better one, but you get the point. So what you can do in these, with these clips is pretty much do great storytelling and visualize it. So they've got some amazing templates that you can use. So if I click on this one, preview, once again, it's going to play to show you what it will look like. They've got that awesome transition, and then I've got this guy. So to sum this up, guys, Doodly, amazing software for whiteboard animations. Vyond, amazing software for whiteboard animations, but also for actual animated stuff. So if you're trying to do storytelling and you want to have clips and templates ready to go like this because you don't know how to create this, Vyond is going to be insane. It's going to be the best software for you. Now let's take a look at the pricing. So for Vyond, you can see with unlimited video production and downloads, it's going to cost you quite a lot of money. So you can pay monthly, and that starts with 49 bucks per month. However, if you think about what you can do with it, it's pretty insane. If you make 30 uploads or like 30 videos per day, per month, one video a day, it's not going to cost you that much money per day. However, you can pay annually, and then you'll see that it's it's still a lot of money, but in comparison, it's really good. It's not even $1 a day, and you can create unlimited videos. So that is really good. Now, if we go to Doodly, they've got two different plans. They've got monthly, annually, and then enterprise. So if you do annually and you go with enterprise, it's going to be $480 per year. And this one is going to be $240. So you can see that Vyond is slightly more expensive if you pay annually. However, you have to keep in mind that this is whiteboard plus real animated stuff too. So yeah, that's the main difference between the two. Hopefully this video gave you the right information. If it did, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video. Let me know if you have any questions, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.